Generous bend in this right knee, opening up the hip. We're going to bring the weight to the left hand as we slowly twist on the left heel, moving to our wild thing. Drop this right foot on the ground, squeeze your glutes, pushing them up towards the ceiling, and open your chest. Inhale and exhale, dropping your glutes. We're facing the back of the mat. Bring that right knee into your center as you twist. Left hand grabs a hold of the right thigh. We look over the right shoulder, facing the front of the mat. Take an inhale and an exhale, really breathing into that twist. Inhale and release on your exhale. Slowly bringing the hands all the way back towards the front of the mat. So we're now twisting towards the left side. We're just going to bring the hands down as we roll the hips to face the front, squeezing the shoulder blades, squeezing the glutes.